Hi Jimmy, Viola here. How you doing? I wanted to quickly go through your web presence here and go over a couple of your competitors and then just talk about a couple things I could possibly help you with. Now, for starters, please forgive me. I didn't find a website for you or a landing page of some sort. However, I did notice that you have quite a few citations out there, and that gave me an idea of what it is that you do. It seems like you do everything. But anyways, I went ahead and I picked home remodeling. So when somebody goes to Google and they're typing in home remodeling in Atlanta, first thing we see obviously are the Google paid ads or the Google guaranteed ads. Then you have this section right here, which is what we call the map pack. And these top three businesses are getting the bulk of the leads for whenever someone is searching for this particular keyword. So the strategy to win here is to find out exactly how many citations does the top company have. And all the citation simply is, Jimmy, is a business name, your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories across the World Wide Web. Some of them, like what you have here, Show Me Local, MapQuest, even the Better Business Bureau, these are all different directories because you have a listing in there. The more citations you have, that's pretty much the strategy to win here. So if First Choice Remodel is doing 350 citations a month, then you want to make sure that you're doing at least 450 per month, so you know you're outranking them month after month after month after month, right? Because that's pretty much what's going to allow you to stay in the top three, because we both know that nobody goes past page one for anything when they're looking for something on Google. Then you have this section down here, and this has everything to do with your website and something called a backlink. So I went ahead and pulled up this company because they're the number one on this search. This is their site, pretty much design and remodel. Straight to the point. It's very clean, not a whole lot going on. You get to the gallery, etc. But they have a good amount of content. And I want to let you know, when you do get a landing page or a website, you want the homepage to have at least 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on it. Looking at this, they have about 750. So I think if you sit right at 1,000, you'll be able to outrank them all day easily when it comes to content. Now I'm going to hop over to this tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see the back end of a website and what's going on with it. So this is that same website, Copper Sky Renovations. The first thing we see essentially is a DR, and that's a power flow from Google. Then we see a UR, that's a trust flow. Both of these numbers are increased by something called a backlink. All a backlink simply is an endorsement from another company where there's another clickable link on it. So for example, another website that has a hyperlink on it. And when somebody clicks on that hyperlink, it takes them over to this site, and it transfers over power, and it transfers over trust flow. Now, this is obviously something I could go into and see what's working for them and how it could work for you. But I want to get in front of these keywords because this is what's going to make all the difference. So if you see right here, it says home remodeling Atlanta. This tells us that 100 people look for this keyword on a monthly basis. This company is in a number 2 position, and they get 42 calls per month just from this one keyword. Then you have home renovation Atlanta. A different 100 people look for this keyword per month. They're in a number 2 position, and they get an additional 37 calls per month just from this one keyword. And then the list goes on and on and on and on and on. So these are the type of keywords that I'm going to suggest that you have integrated into your website once you have it set up, because the more people that are able to find your site is going to turn into the more calls you're going to get. And of course, it's going to turn into the more customers and deals that you're going to land. So that way, when somebody does look up your business, you'll have a full Google business profile listed here. You'll also have this entire page filled with nothing but your information, as well as your website ranking in the top spot. Okay, so if they're searching for home remodeling, you should be able to pull up for that as well too. All right, that's all that I have for you, Jimmy. I really hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll love to answer them, and I'd love to hear your feedback. And of course, if you want to partner, we can talk about that too. Have a good day. Take care.